What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Full Deck. Right now, we're in the Jeep. George and myself are on the way to the car wash because in the last couple weeks since we've installed that front bra on the Jeep, we've put it through its paces. We've had hot days, we've had cold nights, we've had monsoon type rains, and we've had very dry days. So now we're gonna take it to the car wash and see how it handles the pressure washer at the car wash. So it's a beautiful Sunday. We're on our way over there. We'll see you guys there.
Worst thing they can do is
Deny you.
deny us, right? Why is everybody lining up? Well, this one, that said members, but this one says
Members as
this
well.
gate
Members
will
only
open.
lane.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. We just need the single. Is it $10 down?
Yeah, the single watch.
Yeah, that's all.
Card or cash?
Card, please. How much is the membership?
These are the member prices right here.
That's every month.
That's every month. But we're doing this one right now. The promotion, the Skyline is $25 for the first 3 months.
Wow,
And
that's
after
really
that was
good.
$37.99 after that.
All right, me and George just popped the, talk to the guy. You guys heard all the pricing. Membership sounds really good. I'm going to come back this week after work and definitely
let's see
monthly
what-
memberships. The first 3 months for that much is really good. I'm going to go for that one. But we got the top down. The soft top is down. Back windows are up. We're going to put the front windows up when we're close to getting in there because it's hot as Hades even if you put the AC on it.
Yeah, hold on. Where's the
Anyways, we're about to hit the water. All right, now we're gonna head over to the vacuum. Well, George, the bra's still on there.
Is it?
Yeah. Let's see how good it
How
actually.
good did it do for a wash?
Huh?
Not bad for $10.
No, not at all. Actually, I mean, it's still on there.
It's still on there.
Honestly, I was expecting it to be a lot worse.
Ah, that can be fixed. Replace
Yeah.
the tape.
So overall, not too bad.
No,
You
even
get
for
the-
$10, it's still cheap. Even for $10.
All right, well, that's that.
And the soft tops can handle that much water.
I know that's pretty cool.
Let's see if we get anything inside the. Nothing got in here. Okay.
What did you haha about?
I put the girlfriend's blanket right here. See it?
Oh, nice.
That's it. I put it right back there. So now I can take the dogs out more often. They come in here and use the car wash because I miss having a brand new car, not want to putting them in. They destroy things.
Well, they are dogs.
I know. I found this. It was from handicap, from a tub for a handicap. So I wanted to use the bracket. So, but look at this. Look at how it matches this side, right? So if you put it like this, somewhere like this, make something. I'm using it as a mock-up because this is soft, gonna break. If you make it like this, maybe a little bit longer so you can actually step in it, that would make it and weld it onto this. And look at how the everything clears. If you make the bracket the fit and this right here, you get a nice clean look. Take a picture so I can ask AI to make it to work on it to make it a better one. See, like I showed you I asked AI to create me a box. Kind of like you see on the boats, they have access panels. We're gonna do the same thing here, so I can put my chargers, my jumper cables, chargers, whatnot. And it goes all the way to the bottom.
It's kind of like a saddlebag on a motorcycle, but it's
Yeah.
on a
Actually,
Jeep.
actually, so yeah, it's gonna give it that more Jeep look. You know what I mean? Those Jeeps are built-
utilitarian. Is that a word? Utility look, but yeah. All right,
Yeah,
I'll shut up.
that's the goal. And we got AI. Now the thing is, how well can we make it? I'm willing to buy a 3D printer if we can make it on a 3D printer.
Oh, you mean the thing that sets in here?
Yeah, the cover. To print the cover.
Yeah, you need to know someone who's good with CAD. Let me CAD program. Any viewers? Do you guys good with CAD? Want to help us out?
Oh, we can get somebody on Fiverr
It's
or
Fiverr.
or Fiverr on Upwork and get it done.
Maybe. Yeah, that's true. All right. Well, tell us in the comments what you guys think about that project, and we'll move forward with it. If you guys want to see that, let us know in the comments. Give us likes. If we get up to 1,000 likes on this video, we'll go ahead and get that 3D printer and make that crap happen. So let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And share your friends and family if you really like our content.
To support our Litis tool brand, the air tool holder, because that's how we make a bread and butter.
Yeah, and we can continue to make more content for you guys. And buy dog treats for Benji and whatever Mike is. Oh, and Micah. If you guys want to donate to the channel, it goes to the dog biscuit. You want to buy the boys? The Buy the Boys Biscuits Foundation. Hallelujah. Let's do that. Yeah. Buy the boys some biscuits. $5 would get these boys some biscuits. Everyone out there, reach deep down into your pockets with your T-Rex arms. For $5, which isn't much, it's a coffee. Hey, look at that, buying some biscuits. Hallelujah.